For decades, you've been asked to choose a side. A tribe. But what if the biggest console war in history is a distraction? We went behind the scenes of 2026's biggest launches, from leaked dev kits to retail-ready units. We tested exclusive titles, load times, hidden features, and the ecosystem no one talks about. And what we discovered, sound of a disk drive grinding unnaturally, then a clean, silent digital chime, isn't about power. Number 1. PlayStation 5 Disc Edition. The PS5 console unleashes an array of new gaming possibilities that you may not have anticipated, transforming the way you engage with games. With its ultra-high-speed SSD, loading times are virtually eliminated, allowing you to dive into your favorite titles with lightning-fast efficiency. The console also introduces groundbreaking technology that enhances immersion and makes gaming experiences more engaging than ever. Haptic feedback technology provides tactile sensations that correspond to in-game actions, while adaptive triggers allow for varying levels of resistance that emulate real-world actions, giving players a genuine feel of the game world. Additionally, the 3D audio feature creates a spatial sound experience, enabling gamers to hear sounds as they would in real life, adding an extra layer of realism to gameplay. The power of the PS5 is driven by its custom CPU, GPU, and SSD, all of which work in harmony through integrated I/O to redefine what a PlayStation console can achieve. Number 2. Nintendo Switch. The Nintendo Switch system offers unparalleled versatility, allowing you to immerse yourself in gaming no matter your environment. With its innovative design, the Switch seamlessly transitions from a traditional home console, where you can enjoy gaming on a big screen through your TV, to a portable system that fits in your hands. This means that whether you're lounging at home, commuting, or hanging out with friends, you can always dive into your favorite games without skipping a beat. The convenience of the Nintendo Switch enhances your gaming experience by providing the freedom to play anytime and any place, ensuring that you maximize your gaming opportunities. Enjoy a vast library of games ranging from family-friendly titles to intense multiplayer experiences, all while having the ability to switch modes whenever you wish. Number 3. Nintendo Switch 2 System. Start your next gaming adventure with the Nintendo Switch 2 system, packed with upgrades and fun ways to connect and play together. Discover Nintendo Switch 2. Your games will leap to life on the vivid, 7.9-inch 1080p screen that showcases the system's powerful processing and graphics performance. The updated dock also supports up to 4K resolution and frame rates up to 120 frames per second with compatible games and TVs. The reimagined Joy-Con 2 controllers snap into place with magnetic connectors, and each controller can even be used as a mouse in compatible games. Plus, you can still enjoy compatible games from your existing Nintendo Switch library. Connect with friends and family with GameChat. Once GameChat is set up, press the C button on your right Joy-Con 2 to start it up, a seamless way to voice chat with your friends, share your game screen, and connect via video chat with a compatible USB-C camera, sold separately. Number 4. Xbox Series X. Experience a whole new level of gaming with the stunning visuals and immersive gameplay offered by 4K gaming and up to 120 frames per second, FPS. This technology transforms your gaming experience, making it so lifelike that it feels almost surreal. The Xbox Series XS allows you to seamlessly switch between your favorite games, ensuring you can resume right where you left off using the innovative Quick Resume feature. Backward compatibility is a significant highlight, enabling you to enjoy games from previous console generations, alongside titles specifically optimized for Xbox Series XS. These optimized games are designed to not only look visually striking but also perform exceptionally. Imagine jumping into popular games such as Fortnite and Grand Theft Auto with virtually no wait time, thanks to lightning-fast loading capabilities. Number 5. PlayStation 5 Pro Console. With the PlayStation 5 Pro Console, players are offered an unparalleled gaming experience, as it allows the world's most talented game developers to elevate their games with remarkable enhancements. Notable features include advanced ray tracing technology, which provides more realistic lighting and shadow effects, enhancing the visual realism of the gaming environment. Additionally, gamers can enjoy stunning image clarity optimized for 4K television displays, ensuring that every detail is sharp and vibrant for an immersive experience. Furthermore, the PS5 Pro enables high frame rate gameplay, which translates to smoother and more responsive action, ideal for fast-paced games. However, it's important to note that these advanced features are exclusive to select PlayStation 5 titles that have specifically been updated and optimized for the PS5 Pro. The availability of these enhanced features can vary from one game to another, providing a tailored experience that showcases the capabilities of the console. Players can look forward to a gaming experience that not only meets but exceeds their expectations, offering advancements that push the boundaries of what's possible in gaming. The future of play is here. Whichever kingdom you choose, every console and piece of gear from this review is linked in the description below. Check for the latest bundles and deals. Go to war in the comments *** PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or PC. If this unfiltered guide helped you decide, claim your victory with the like button. Share this with your gaming squad. For more insider tech truth that skips the hype, subscribe and hit the bell. The next generation of reviews is loading. See you online.